Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning. It's New Year's Day over here in Jacksonville, Florida, United States. Guys, today is New Year's Day. January 1st in the morning. Time checker, guys, is 6:40 in the morning. And the temperature is 42 degrees. It's warmer this morning than yesterday and the other day. Yep. I'm warming up my car, guys, before I'm gonna start going to work, before I start driving. Yeah, 42 degrees right now. It's a little bit warmer this morning than yesterday and also the other day. Yep, today is January 1st, 2026. Welcome 2026. Looking forward for a good 2026. Good luck, good fortune, good love, good job, My wish this year is good health, Good job, good health, good blessings, happiness, harmonious family,